guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul, and yes, I did it completely online. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I'm going to go over some tips and tricks when you guys are purchasing products online. I'll show you my full transaction, how I did it, and exactly what products I bought. So stay tuned for that. I do hear you guys. I know I've been getting a lot of mixed reviews as far as going in store versus trying to do online hauls. And I do see both sides of the story, of course. On one hand, I want to bring you guys in-store videos so that anyone who does need to go out and pick up some essentials can still get some really good savings. But of course, on the other hand, I want to stay safe and make sure that I'm keeping my community safe as well. So just know, anytime I do go out, of course, I try to take every precaution possible, but I definitely want to try to do as many online videos for you guys and online hauls, which is why I wanted to bring you this Walgreens online haul. I also haven't done a giveaway in a while, so I want to do a giveaway in this video. Next week, so Sunday, we are going to be getting 4 inserts, which I'm super excited about. We're getting our P&G insert for April as well. So I'm going to be giving away all of the inserts. So that'll be the Smart Source, the Retail Me Not, and the P&G insert. And with all the stresses and everything going on, I also want to throw in some nice beauty items for you guys as well. So with everything going on, what I like to do is still keep my morning routine, even though we're trying to stay home. I am now also working from home, which is always nice. It always helps to keep some balance in my life if I can still come up with my own nice beauty routine, take a shower in the mornings, cleanse my face, have my nice facial scrubs and moisturizers. Always makes me feel better, and then I feel like I'm having a more productive day. So I'm going to be adding that in there for you as well. And if you haven't checked my unboxing video that I posted yesterday, click this link here above. I absolutely love this massager. I used it again this morning while I was having my morning cup of coffee. Just helps me kind of start the day with a nice relaxing attitude, and it is available for purchase. The link is in the description box as well. I don't get any commissions or anything from purchasing it. I just like to promote products that kind of help me in my everyday life. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is make sure you are a subscriber. If not, make sure you hit that button now in the bottom right-hand corner and the notification bell. Give the video a big thumbs up and then drop a comment below. Let me know what got you started in couponing, whether it was a friend or family member or something that you kind of looked into yourself. So just drop a comment and let me know. I always love to hear how everyone got started. A little bit about myself, how I got started. One of my friends named Raquel got me started on the Ibotta Rebate App. So I fell in love with the app. I started saving a ton of money, and it was kind of like a game to me, see how much money I could save. And after that, I started to do a lot of hauls, share it with my friends and families, let them know what good deals I've been getting. And then my dad said, you know, hey, why don't you start a YouTube channel? So I looked into it, and bam, there came Bree the Coupon Queen. So that is a little bit about myself as well. So if you're not also following me on my Instagram or on my Facebook, make sure you check the links below in the description box. I do post additional deals when I post my videos and any new rebates that are coming up on the different apps, printable coupons as well, you name it, I always post it on those 2 sites first. So let's go ahead and dive into the online haul that I did and what items you can grab from the comfort of your home. So here are a couple online tips. So the highest value coupon is applying. So typically when you go in store, I always say only clip the version that you're going to use. So if there is a $2 off coupon and a $1 off coupon and you have them both clipped, when you're shopping in store, typically the lowest value coupon attaches for some reason. Online, it is the opposite, which was amazing. So the other tidbit for online, we have that digital booster. I got the 10% off of a $20 purchase. It is not attaching online for some reason. I played around with it for like a good hour to see. I had some clearance items in my haul. I added even more to see if it was maybe not including clearance items, but no matter what I added to get over the $20, the percent off was not working. So I called Walgreens customer service, and they said it has to be $20 subtotal, like after coupons, which is never how it's been working in store. So not really sure what's going on with that, but I did find a digital coupon code that you guys can use. So I'll let you guys know that on the next slide. You can also use points to pay online. So you can't use register rewards because of course they have to scan that, just like a paper coupon. You can't use paper coupons online, but you can use points to pay down your out-of-pocket cost, and you can use digital coupons. The online inventory is selling fast. Originally, what I wanted to do, like I posted in my must-do deals video, all of those items are completely sold out. So the Tide Simply, the Downy, the nice storage bags, the ones I wanted were sold out. There's a couple other things that I wanted to grab, but they were sold out online. So those items you would have to go in store for if that's something that you need. So there is a 10% off coupon code that I found online. So at the end, I'll show you where to put it in. It's new10, and you're going to get 10% off of your order. So this code, unlike the 10% off booster that we use, it's not taking 10% off of the total product value. So in essence, with that digital booster that I would have used if I went in store, it would have taken off 10% of $20, which would have been $2. This is only taking the percentage off of your final total due, which obviously is nowhere near as high a value, but at the end of the day, it's still some additional savings. And my final out-of-pocket cost was just $2.19, which I think is absolutely amazing for not leaving my house and getting 5 amazing items. So I'll go over that with you here shortly. There's also free shipping right now on Walgreens.com, which is a value of another $5.99, which is great. So let's go on to the deals that are available online. I already checked these. Of course, they may sell out, so just make sure if these are items that you want to purchase, you go on to Walgreens.com as soon as possible. So Pantene is on sale. Buy 3, get a $3 register reward. So what you would do is pick up any 3 of the Pantene's shampoos or conditioners. They are all on sale, $3.99 each. And we have an amazing $5 off 3 digital coupon. So you're going to pay just $6.97. You're going to get back the $3 register reward. Final cost is $3.97 for 3 or $1.32 each. So for that register reward, I'm assuming it's going to come in the mail. If it doesn't say anything about it when you check out, call Walgreens customer service. Here is the phone number right here. And you can get transferred over to the Catalina company and they can mail you that $3 register reward. So Axe deodorant is on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off, and buy 3, get 3,000 points. So there's no digital coupons or anything that I found on my account, so it is going to be a very high out-of-pocket cost. But of course, it's still some savings. You don't have to leave your house, and if this is an item that you use, definitely a great week to purchase it. So at my store, or online anyway, they are showing $5.99. So the second one would be $2.99 and the third one would be $5.99 again. You can pay with points for these deals. So again, no digital coupons that I found. So you are going to pay the full $14.97, get back 3,000 points. Final cost is $3.99 each. So not the best savings, but still better than nothing. Okay, so here are some great beauty deals. We got some really high value beauty digital coupons, so make sure you clip them and send them to your card. We got a $4 Neutrogena digital, a $4 L'Oreal eye product digital. We have a couple other digitals that I will go over in the products that I purchased. So for this deal, what you would do, because for beauty items, this month ends the end of March, the 29th, I believe it ends. When you buy 2 beauty products, you're going to get 1 free. So that's why I went ahead and picked up 3 items. So what you would buy is one of the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blush. It does come in 3 different shades. They're $5.89 each online. Then you'd pick up 2 of the L'Oreal eyeshadows. They're $4.69 each. And the free item is going to be the lesser value item. So one of the eyeshadows is going to be the free item. So the total is going to be $10.58 because one of them is going to be free. It's not even going to ring up as a price on your online version. Then that $4 Neutrogena digital is going to apply, and it is attaching to that blush. And the $4 L'Oreal digital is going to apply for the eyeshadow. Plus, the one is, of course, going to be free from that monthly promotion. Your final cost is going to be just $2.58 for all 3 items, or 86 cents each, which I thought is such an amazing deal, especially for some beauty products. So this is what I did for my online transaction. I went ahead and picked up 5 items. I was just realizing after I purchased, I could have picked up probably a 6th item, which would have been free again because of the promotion of buy 2, get 1 free. But that's okay. I still want to share this deal with you guys. I just completely lost track when I was calling Walgreens online and trying to figure out that booster coupon and everything and bring you this deal. So what I did is I purchased 1 L'Oreal eyeshadow, which was the free item. Another L'Oreal eyeshadow, it was a different color. It was like a really cool blue color. So it was a different price point at $5.69, or I think it was actually $5.89. I have the screenshots next to show you exactly what I got. A L'Oreal foundation at $8.49. One of the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liners. They were on clearance for $3.22 online. And a Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder was also on clearance for $4.34. So as you can see, my total is above the $20 threshold. So again, not really sure what's going on with that digital booster. These are the digital coupons. The $5 L'Oreal Paris Foundation digital. And we had previously a $3.50 Rimmel lip coupon. If you don't have that one, there is still a $2 Rimmel lip coupon that you guys can clip to your card and use for this transaction. And same for the face. There is a $3.50 Rimmel face coupon. If you don't have that one anymore, there is a $2 Rimmel face coupon as well. And then the $4 digital for the L'Oreal eye coupon. And the 10% off code only took off 63 cents. But hey, that's still 63 cents that we don't have to pay out of pocket, which is always nice. So here is my final cost breakdown. The total is $22.04 plus taxes. So my region, it charged me $1.50. The total for all the coupons is $15.72, and that does include the free shipping, which has a cost of $5.99. You're going to be left to pay $7.19. That is including the taxes. Then I used 5,000 points, so I paid just $2.19 out of pocket for all 5 beauty items, or just 43 cents per product. And again, it is free shipping. It's going to ship directly to my house. It may be a little bit delayed because of some of the shipping restrictions going on right now, and beauty, of course, is not necessarily an essential item. So I'm not sure exactly how long the shipping is going to be, but whenever it arrives, that is totally fine because it's such a great price point. So here are the screenshots of the items that I purchased, just to give you guys an idea. The one free item, as you see, is going to be this L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow because it is the lesser value item. I had these 3 added. So what I'm assuming is because these 2 were on clearance, they didn't work for the buy 2 get 1 free promotion, because otherwise I was assuming this one would have been the freebie because it's obviously cheaper than the L'Oreal. But this is my first time purchasing items online, and I still think everything went perfect. All the digitals actually attached, which is awesome because a lot of times in store, those digitals give us so many issues and they don't attach. But here, everything attached, everything went smoothly, and I didn't have any issues, which was awesome. So this is what it was showing for the promotions and breakdown codes, or the promotion codes and coupons. This is where you would enter that code, new10. So you want to make sure you put that in there and hit apply, and then this will come off here. If you're doing, of course, the exact same transaction that I did, it'll take off 63 cents. So all of the coupons that applied are showing here, the Rimmel Face, Rimmel Lip, and the 2 L'Oreal Paris. as well as that free standard shipping. So that saved us an additional $6, which is awesome because I don't like to obviously pay for shipping. So on the left-hand side here, this is showing everything as far as the totals after all of the coupons, but of course we do have to add in the taxes. So once you get to this screen, you're going to, of course, click Proceed to Checkout. It is going to take you over to your payment screen. You can add in here however many points you want to use, whether it's $1, $2, so on and so forth. Then you're going to add those points in, hit Continue to Checkout. It is going to calculate your taxes and add it together. Then your order summary is going to come up. Obviously, you want to put in your shipping address, your name, phone number, and email address, things of that nature. Then, as you see here, I added $5 in points. So my final cost was just $2.19. And then, of course, you're going to go ahead and hit Submit Order. So that is my Walgreens online haul for you guys. If you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you drop a comment below. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be to shop online at Walgreens.com. And I was super excited that I was still able to find that 10% off coupon. So again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you don't forget to drop that comment and let me know what